Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back here to our breakout session at Taro. It's a great pleasure to see so many of you attending. My name is Chris. I'm one of the founders and Chief Product Officer here at Taro. At Taro, we bring heating and air conditioning systems online. We feed them with data in order to improve them in efficiency and comfort at home for all of our customers. And actually, in our world, about 8 billion people live. And these 8 billion people, they all want to live in a climatized home, and this consumes a lot of energy. Actually, 30% of our worldwide energy consumption is used for heating and cooling of buildings. And this big energy consumption is causing a lot of stress on our planet in terms of sustainability and in terms of CO2 emissions. And this is our mission, to really bring technology into the households to reduce these energy consumption overall. And it drives our team every day to make our products better, to make them more pleasant to use, and also to make them more affordable. So, you know our product suite, our V3 Plus product suite. It's essentially these 3 starter kits. So the starter kit which you connect to a heating system, the starter kit which you connect to radiators, and a starter kit which you connect to air conditioning systems. More or less all households in Europe can be covered with these starter kits. But there has been one case which was not really sufficiently covered, and those were households which do not have a thermostat wire coming from the boiler, going up or down to the living room area. And for specifically this case, today we're launching a new hardware product which is on sale from today, 2 p.m. And let's see what it is and let's see what's in the box. It's this starter kit here, the wireless smart thermostat starter kit. And let's see what it comprises. So let's open it. And in fact, when customers open, they first get like small little welcome guides, one with the main functionality, how to use it, a setup guide where you also have some QR codes to download the app, but also some basic self-instructions, and also a professional manual, a manual for the professional installer. So if you get it installed by a professional, then the installer is going to use this manual to make it work. So besides the manual in the box, you have the unit which you place inside the living room area, which shows temperatures, where you can adjust temperatures, which measures temperatures, but also humidity, air quality. Besides this unit in the box, we have the internet bridge and some cables and power plugs to actually connect the internet bridge to the power and to the home router. And the third element in the box is the wireless receiver. So the wireless receiver which connects to the boiler, to the heating system, and also the respective cable to connect it there. So the first, what you do is you take your smartphone, download the Tado app, and inside the Tado app you have some simple instructions, digital instructions, which explain you exactly step by step what you need to do. But essentially the first step is to take the internet bridge, connect it with the cables, and then essentially, let's see here, my router is always under the couch. You connect it to essentially to your home router, and this one here goes into the power to feed it with electricity. So this is one part. And now let's go to the boiler room to essentially install the wireless receiver. This is the boiler. These here are the control cables of the boiler, and it was very nicely explained in the Tado app how to install it. So essentially, you bring the wireless receiver onto the wall above those control cables here, and according to the instruction, you have to bring in the cables into the right places in here. Once the cables are in, you close it up again, and as the last step, you essentially connect it with power. In this case, it found the connection very well. So let's go back to the living room and see what the next step is. All right, wireless receiver is installed at the boiler. Now it's time to install the device in the living room. Essentially, I can just use these sticky pads here, which are part of the box, and I can install it anywhere in the living room, wherever I want to measure the temperature. So I will place it right here in this beautiful apartment, and you can access the device and adjust basic settings from here. So let's see what the Tado app in terms of installation now says. Okay, good. So we installed the internet bridge. Yeah, that's a connection done. We installed the wireless receiver, also connection, and we installed the wireless unit for the living room. Very good. So actually, now it's already set to go. I can look into my room settings here. I see the temperature inside. I can just adjust it manually, or I can use the smart schedule to really program a schedule during the day, and of course a lot of things, but we suggest you explore the app yourself when you get one of it for your own place. Good. So this was the unboxing and installation of the wireless smart thermostat. It's available from today, 2 p.m., 229 euro in euro, or 199 pound for the UK. The second new hardware product which we're launching today, which is available today from 2 p.m. in our web store, but also at selected retailers, is a product which was frequently requested by our user community. It's the Taro wireless temperature sensor. This is the product, we're launching it today, and it's mainly used for households which do have Taro smart radiator thermostats already. However, these radiator thermostats may be in locations which are hard to reach or where temperature measurement is not ideal. So in this case here in my apartment, the radiator thermostat is behind a curtain, and therefore on one hand not very accessible to reach to adjust settings, but at the other hand also the temperature measurement is not ideal to really come to a great temperature at home. And this is a situation where the wireless temperature sensor is really handy, where it comes into place very handy. So the product retails at 79.99 euros or 69.99 British pounds in the UK. So let's see what's in the box. If you open it, you basically have our the wireless temperature sensor, which comes in the same look and feel as our normal thermostats, so that it nicely blends into your Tado home, the Tado setup, and it comes also with some adhesive strips and some screws to essentially mount it. So how do you install it? You go into the Tado app. Here, in my case, I do have radiators installed already. And in the living room, I want to add a wireless temperature sensor. So you click on Settings, you go to Devices, Add Devices, select the wireless temperature sensor and start registering. Then you very easily just need to scan the QR code on the device, and it's up and running already. So now it's connected to my Tado home. I can group it to the right room, here in this case, the living room, so that it takes the measurements there. As a last step, you basically want to mount it anywhere in the room, so you can take the adhesive strips off and place it at a location which is convenient to you and where you feel the measurement is a good idea. So this was the second new product which is available from today, but we're not only launching hardware products, we're also launching some new software which actually solves a big problem in people's homes.
Tom, the shower is cold.
Yeah, in here it's also freezing cold. And the radiators are off. I feel they didn't turn on for the whole day. There must be something wrong with the heating system. I'll try to call someone. Hi, this is Tom. Hi. We have a problem with our heating system. The radiators don't turn on, and we only have cold water. Yeah, we would need someone to come by and have a look at it. Oh, no, that's too late for us. Okay, no, then we need to call someone else. Do you have any recommendation who to call? No. Okay, thanks. Bye.
This is exactly why we're launching Care and Protect today. With Care and Protect, this wouldn't have happened. It's a new service which helps you to solve simple problems with the heating system yourself, and it even prevents problems before they actually occur. Oh, here's already the first notification of Taro. Okay, it says heating system incident detected. Let's see. So first, it shows you some details about where it is, what has happened. In this case here, it's a problem in the living room. It guides you through some simple steps how to fix it yourself. Here, the first question is to check whether the boiler is currently running or not. So let's see whether the boiler is running. Display is on. Then the app is asking me whether it shows a fault code. I see F21 here. And now it recommends me to restart the boiler. Fault code is gone. It fires up again. It works. That was easy. In case you feel that the heating system is not working properly somewhere in your home, you can actually also access Care and Protect from the app directly and check whether everything is working fine. So here, in this case, I'm just entering Care and Protect, and then now in my case, actually the heating in the office is not working properly. So this is what I report here to the app. And then you're guided through some flow for some specific tasks, what you can do. In this case, it has detected that you should bleed the radiators. So that means that probably air has gathered in the radiator, and therefore the radiator in the office cannot heat up properly. So you click on the self-fix flow. on the next step is to turn the heating to 25 degrees. So you press this button, and Taro automatically now heats up the radiator in the office to 25 degrees. The next step is to take a bleeding key for the radiator. So I actually have one here. And then you go to the radiator to let the air out so that it can heat up again. Let's see how it works. So you take this key here, the radiator bleeding key, and turn it a bit to let the air out. And immediately, as soon as water comes out, you close it already so that the radiator is full with water and can heat up correctly. Taro not only detects problems and helps you to fix it themselves, it even prevents problems before they even occur. Oh, there's already a notification here from Care and Protect. So the system pressure is getting low. Let's see what that means. Okay, so my water pressure here is only at 1.2 bar. Usually at 1 bar, the system stops working. So let's click on it. It's too low, and I should top up the water pressure. Let's see how it works. So it gives you some guidance how to actually refill the water pressure so that you're good to go for the next couple of months or even years. Let's do it in my case here at the boiler room. Step by step, it's explained here in the Tado app how to refill water. In this case here, I have to turn the valve until the Tado app shows the right level. Okay, close it. And now I should be good to go for the next year or so. It was a very easy thing I could do. I wouldn't have needed an installer for that. So for today, we presented you Care and Protect, our new feature for all new and existing customers, but also our 2 new hardware products, the wireless starter kit, as well as the wireless temperature sensor. So thank you very much, everyone, for joining, and looking forward to seeing you soon.